Your TI-84 Evo has no built-in way to break a number into its prime factors, but this program adds one. Type in a number, like 1001, and it comes back with 7 times 11 times 13. Let's put it on your calculator. Start by plugging your calculator into your computer with a USB cable, and make sure it's turned on. Click the link in the description to open the Prime Factorization program page. Then click Connect your calculator, pick the TI-84 Evo in the pop-up, and hit Connect. Now click Send to Calculator, and a few seconds later, the program is on your calculator. Over on the calculator, press the Program key. Choose TI Basic, and there's the Prime Factorization program, called P-Factor. Press Enter to grab it, and Enter again to run it. It asks you for a number. Type your number, 360, and press Enter. There's the prime factorization. 2 to the third times 3 squared times 5. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.